Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Chromacomfort Bluetooth device. First, make sure your Chromacomfort unit has power and is ready to pair. Then, grab your smartphone and navigate to its Bluetooth settings. It is crucial to confirm that Bluetooth is turned on, allowing your phone to discover new devices. This initial step prepares your device for a smooth and successful connection process, ensuring everything is set up correctly. Once Bluetooth is active, your phone will begin searching for nearby devices. Look for an entry named Chromacomfort Sensonic Speaker in the list of available devices. This is the unique identifier for your unit. Simply tap on this name to select it. Your phone will then attempt to establish a connection, moving us closer to enjoying your device's features. This step is vital for proper recognition. After selecting your Chromacomfort device, your phone will likely ask for a pairing code. The universal PIN for these devices is 1234. Carefully enter these 4 digits when prompted on your screen. Upon successful entry, you should hear an audible beep or see a light flash on your Chromacomfort unit, confirming that the connection has been established and is ready for immediate use. This secures your connection. Congratulations! Your Chromacomfort Bluetooth device is now successfully connected and ready to enhance your space. You can now open your favorite music or audio streaming application and enjoy high-quality sound through its integrated speaker. Remember, for more advanced features and customization, you can always download the dedicated Chromacomfort application from your device's app store. Enjoy your newly connected and personalized audio experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.